Hey there, ladies and gents. So tonight I am coming to you with a Taste Test Wednesday. This is a limited edition birthday cake Kit Kat. I am not sure if anybody has done a video yet, but I have 3 monkeys here that are going to taste it with me because this one is there's 4 Kit Kats in here, so it's going to be 1 for each of us. And it is white chocolate on the thing, so it's not the traditional chocolate. Sit down, monkey. Off to the side. I have 3 monkeys. They're all impatient, so let's get started. It does have sprinkles inside, if you can see that. It's hard to see. It is melting because it's hot. Yep. Tastes like white frosting. The oldest monkey is going to talk about his experience with it first.
I think the Kit Kat Golden Edition birthday cake is really good. I like how it has these sprinkles on the inside.
Me too. It actually tastes kind of like, to me, like a donut.
Yes, same thing.
I have 2 more monkeys. They're going to say what they thought about it. One monkey does not understand that when I point to him, he can say what he thought about the treat.
I know.
What do you think of it?
When I had it, it tasted like a donut.
Tastes like a donut and vanilla cake?
Yeah, with vanilla cake frosting on it.
Mmm. What about you, monkey number 3? Off camera?
Best.
The best?
Uh-huh.
If I got it again, would you eat it?
Mm-hmm.
I would too.
Definitely eat it again.
But
my favorite part about it was the sprinkles.
Yes. Oh, you know what else it tastes
And
like?
the white thing. The white ball.
The frosting.
Yeah.
You know what really, it actually didn't really taste like birthday cake. It tastes like sugar cookie.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it did!
Guys, can we hurry?
It's like sugar cookie.
Okay, so there is one other Kit Kat that I do want to do a taste test video of. It is dark chocolate mint, I believe. If I get that, I will probably have 3 helpers again. Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
This is my happy.
Okay.
It's just
Well, they can't see you. So, my minions, my monkeys, they have to go to bed now. So, they're going to say bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye. Have a good time. See you in the morning.
See you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to...
Subscribe.
Like, comment,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Don't forget to draw this happy face.
Like the video on
Like,
sure,
comment,
like,
and subscribe.
and subscribe. Road to 100. Road to 1K.
No names,
Don't
no
put-
whatever that is. I
don't
don't
put
care
the
about
like-
codes or
Like
names or
happy
whatnot.
face.
Okay, give us a emoji in the comments with a big grinny
If you-
smiley face if you like this video. All right, bye.
Bye.